I have a question that when we were going in the streets of Bangladesh and Dhaka, we heard people saying they were demanding justice and they were also demanding handing over of Miss Sheikh Hasina Wajid, who's hiding in India. Would your party demand handing over of Sheikh Hasina from India? A. And the B is, we've seen that SARC is not active. And we have also seen that India-Pakistan has a standoff. And they had a latest standoff back in 2025. Would you play any role to reactivate SARC and to end the differences between India and Pakistan?
Yes, as you know, that SARC was initiated initially by Bangladesh. So naturally, we would want to revive SARC. We will discuss with our friends. Once we settle the government, we'll try to revive it. What was your first question? That depends on the legal process, of course.
Thank you and congratulations. My question is,
Dear
how do you
journalist
assess?
friends, I think we need to.
How do you assess the Bangladesh-China relation?
Can you please say again?
Thank you and congratulations. My question is, how do you assess the current Bangladesh and China relations? And looking ahead, in which area do you see the greater potential to further expand and deepen the cooperation between the two sides?
Well, like many other, China is also a development friend of Bangladesh. So we hope that both the countries. Even in future, both the countries will be in a position to work together.
Congratulations. Andres Kipani from the Financial Times.
I'm afraid I need to...
Just one quick question. What's your plan to jumpstart an economy that is growing less than potential, with low levels of private investments and a very sticky inflation? Thank you.
To bring more businesses and create more jobs. Thank you.
Hello, BNP chair.
Thank you, gentlemen.
Hello,
Thank you so much.
স্যার
Thank you so much.
একটু দেশে আসি
দেশে
সব তো ফরেন
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে
হয়ে গেল একটু দেশে আসি
অবশ্যই দেশে আসবো দেশের মানুষ
Okay, I'm here.
স্যার
sorry I need to address my Bangladeshi journalist now
I'm Pallavi Ghosh from
can I finish
CNN.
with him please